Welcome children in chemistry class. Children, you have to study chemical reactions and types of chemical reaction. Chemical reaction is a chemical change in which matter changes into a new substance or substances. In a chemical reaction, the substances which are taking part in the reaction are called reactants, and the substances which are produced as the result of the reaction are called products. During a chemical reaction, the existing bond of the atom or groups of atom of the reactants are broken and new bonds are formed. As the result of this, new substances are produced. That substances are called products. A chemical reaction is represented by chemical equation. Now, you have to study different types of chemical reaction. Here I will discuss 4 types of chemical reaction. First is direct combination. Second is decomposition reaction. Third is displacement reaction. Fourth is double decomposition. So first reaction is direct combination. A chemical reaction in which 2 or more elements or compounds react to form one new compound is called direct combination reaction. It is also known as synthesis reaction. When 2 elements combine, like hydrogen and oxygen, these are the 2 elements, they combine and produce water. So product is water and reactants are hydrogen and oxygen. One element and one compound combine. Carbon monoxide is a compound, oxygen is an element. Carbon monoxide and oxygen are reactant. So when these reactants combine, produce carbon dioxide. So carbon dioxide is the product. Now 2 compounds combine, ammonia and hydrogen chloride. These 2 are the reactants. These 2 are compounds and product is ammonium chloride. So this I told about the direct combination reaction. Now second is decomposition reaction. A chemical reaction in which a chemical compound decomposes into 2 or more simpler substances. That reaction is called decomposition reaction. But here how the compound will decompose? It decomposes by heat, by light, by catalyst or by electric current. On the basis of that, decomposition reactions are 4 types. Thermal decomposition, when a compound decomposes into 2 simpler substances by heat. Example is calcium carbonate. It is heated. On heating, it breaks into calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. It is the example of thermal decomposition reaction. Next is photochemical decomposition. A compound breaks due to light, sunlight. There are certain chemicals kept away from the sunlight. If you see, there are some medicines on that also written, keep it away from the light. Reason is when they will get direct light, there will be photochemical decomposition and components will change. As example is silver nitrate. Silver nitrate due to light break into silver nitrite and oxygen. Next is catalytic decomposition. Decomposition of a compound by catalyst, hydrogen peroxide, decompose into water and oxygen when a pinch of manganese dioxide is added. Manganese dioxide is acting as a catalyst in breaking hydrogen peroxide. Next is electrolytic decomposition. It is also known as electrolysis. Decomposition is brought about by passing electric current. Acidulated water decompose into hydrogen and oxygen on passing electric current. So this is electrolysis of water. Now third reaction is displacement reaction. That is also called substitution reaction. A chemical reaction in which an element or radical is replaced by another more active element or radical. Example is copper sulfate and magnesium. Copper sulfate is a compound. When magnesium is coming in the contact of it, then magnesium is more reactive than copper. Therefore, magnesium will displace copper from the copper sulfate and products are magnesium sulfate and copper. So, in this way, more reactive atom of the elements will displace to the less reactive. Next is double decomposition. A chemical reaction in which two reactants are both decomposed to form new substances by exchanging their radical. You can understand by taking the example silver nitrate and potassium chloride. Both are reactant. Silver nitrate break into silver and nitrate. Potassium chloride break into potassium and chloride. Now there is exchange of radical. Silver combined with chloride of potassium chloride forms silver chloride. Potassium recombined with nitrate for potassium nitrate. Double decomposition reactions are two types. One is precipitation reaction, other is neutralization reaction. When two compounds in aqueous state react and form an insoluble salt, that is called the precipitation double decomposition reaction. You can take example when barium chloride and sodium sulfate taken together in the aqueous state, barium sulfate and sodium chlorides are produced. Barium sulfate is insoluble. So this is the example of precipitation reaction. Next is neutralization reaction. A reaction between acid and base to form salt and water only. Reaction between hydrochloric acid and sodium hydroxide. Hydrochloric acid is acid, sodium hydroxide is base. When both react, product is sodium chloride and water. Sodium chloride is salt. So in this, acid and base both will lose their property and salt and water are formed. This is called neutralization reaction.